YouTube Shorts is releasing an AI update that lets you transform photos into videos with Veo 2 and later on with Veo 3. I would love to show you the update. Unfortunately, it is region locked to the US, Canada, Australia and New Zealand for now, so we'll have to make do with the screenshot I have. If you're in one of those countries, you have access via the big plus button in the YouTube main app. Go to Create Shorts and hit the sparkle icon on the side to pull up the effects and therefore the AI effects. All content created with that feature is labeled as synthetic content and has a synth ID watermark baked into the video, which makes it recognizable for other platforms that this has been synthetic content. The synth ID watermark is basically the opposite of the C2PA watermark, which ensures that from the camera to uploading, the video hasn't been tampered with. So no edits or something like that, which is also very, very interesting and something we will keep an eye out on in the future. Are you going to try out the new features? If they are enabled in your country, let me know in the comments below. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel because you'll get weekly YouTube updates here. And usually we are a little bit faster even than Creator Insider. All right, let's go on with the analytics audience split. So quick reminder, the returning and new viewers metric has been split a little bit. So we now have new viewers who haven't interacted with the channel at all, casual viewers that came back at least once per month in the last 6 months, and regular viewers who came back at least once per month for more than 6 months. Keep in mind that this is how it looks like for a video where the main traffic comes from a couple of tutorials and people view the tutorial and then leave, never come back. And this is how the main traffic looks like from a daily live show on a channel with a little bit more subscribers. So the percentages may vary, and for me it would be interesting to see how are your percentages looking and what kind of content and how often do you upload. Please feel free to comment below. And last but not least, Leo has written an interesting blog post following the downfall of VShojo, a VTuber agency, or for the older folks around here, the equivalent of an MCN, or if for even older folks, that's basically Hollywood in a nutshell. And yeah, he's pointing out what the same concept of piling up artists into corporations has been failing for the past 70 years and presents with cooperatives or co-ops an interesting alternative that are easy to set up, democratic, and a system that we've already seen work in other areas such as agriculture. If you're interested in that, I've linked the blog post below. And if you want to create a cooperative with maybe us, please let us know somehow. Get in touch with us. It's pretty easy to set up actually and could be beneficial for you all. If you have any questions about the topics of today or YouTube in general, please feel free to leave a comment below or send a post in our fan community. Otherwise, see you next week with more YouTube updates. Take care and bye-bye.